So many people ask me how to clean my brushes and how often should you clean your makeup brushes. You should actually clean them once a week, at minimum every 2 weeks, but never longer than that. Bacteria and all kinds of things can build up on them. Plus, your makeup won't apply as well, especially with the foundation brushes, because these are so compact that your foundation and all kinds of stuff really gets packed down in there. So I recommend every week. It's Saturday night, and so that's when I normally do mine. And it's a super simple solution. I don't do anything extra. Now, if your brushes are super dirty and you haven't done them in a long time, and especially again, the foundation brushes get really caked down in there, you can take a little bit of makeup remover and pre soak your brush with a little bit of makeup remover if you need to do that. If not, the solution I use is a little bit of Dawn dishwashing soap, warm water, and a touch of olive oil. I know the olive oil sounds kind of crazy, but it keeps your bristles of your brushes very soft. And so they don't dry out and get kind of hard. The next thing you need to do that's really important is when, after you've washed them and you've rinsed them really well and all of the soap is gone and they're clean, you want to make sure you dry them with the brush downward. That way, no water gets caught up in the cylinder part here with whatever, even your little eyeshadow brushes, every brush you have should be dry upside down like this. Um, and yeah, that it takes about 24 hours for them to fully dry. If you need them quicker than that, you can take a blow dryer. Just don't keep the blow dryer really hot for a long period of time on the brush. Again, it can damage the brushes and make them dry out too much. But if you needed a quick series of, I need to go ahead and get this brush dry, you can use a blow dryer. But that is all of my tips and tricks on how to clean your makeup brushes. And then I'm going to follow this up exactly how I do it.